Viagra. Introduction. Does Viagra automatically cause an erection after you take the pill? Select yes or no. Correct. Viagra will not cause an erection if there is no sexual stimulation, physical or mental. Viagra should never be used with medicines that contain nitrates. Select true or false. Correct. If you take Viagra with any nitrate medicine or recreational drug containing nitrates, your blood pressure could suddenly drop to an unsafe level. You could get dizzy, faint, or even have a heart attack or stroke. Do all patients taking Viagra experience headache, facial flushing, and indigestion? Select yes or no. Correct. Recent studies show that a minority of patients experience side effects of Viagra. These side effects are generally mild and temporary. Is the doctor who prescribed Viagra the only person who needs to know that you are using it? Select yes or no. Correct. You should tell all of your healthcare providers that you are using Viagra. Thank you for using Explain.